Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Kohls Scammer Stealing Over $500 with Fake Price Tag.
On September 6, 2025, officers responded to a Kohls for a call of a shoplifting in progress.
She's walking out now.
Hello, police department. How are you doing?
I'm good. What's
Good.
All right, let's talk back in the LP office and we'll go from there. Okay. All right? Oh my God.
So right now you're being detained. You're not free to leave, okay?
Okay.
Just follow him. I'm going to have you take a seat.
Do you have your ID on you?
Yeah, okay. So is there a reason why you're putting fake tags on here? No.
That's not your ID.
Oh, sorry. So she was using like something called jumping beans, which is like baby's clothes as items to scan.
Simple.
Scan everything and pay full price right and just pick a switch. So this is brand new. We just released this like a week ago and she paid $1 for it. No, that was just a sale. It was there. Yeah, why just scan those jumping beans? Something there. It's baby clothes. You scan everything as baby clothes. Like this is Nike. These never go on sale. What's that?
All right. I got everything on tonight. So are you putting tags on all this and then under-ringing it?
Yes,
Okay, is this a common thing for you, or is this just a one-time thing? I mean, how often do you do this?
oh no, this is, I don't know what I was thinking.
So,
You have a Kohls card. I'm gonna run that Kohls card, and if I have more instances of you doing the same thing, I'll reach out back to them and they'll arrest you. No, So- seriously, no.
this is the first time you ever done this? It's pretty
Stupid.
advanced for a first-timer.
Yeah, this ain't the first
No,
time.
never been arrested for it at all?
Not for this, no.
Not for this? Okay.
Stupid.
You still live in Hampshire?
Yes, sir.
Go with it.
Your bag, I'll get you guys a real total.
Yeah, I would appreciate it.
Of course.
And then you're able to get like a receipt of
Yeah,
what
that's
was
what I'm getting.
allegedly paid or actually paid.
Thank you.
You good? Okay.
Damn, they got people on
How'd you
the
get
wall
here,
of
bro?
shame.
I just drove.
You drove yourself? Okay, so your car's in the parking lot? Okay. So I guess my question to you is, what's the reasoning behind this? I mean, there's got to be a reason, right? If it's food because you're hungry, you don't have enough money, that's understandable. But these are clothing items, right? So what's the reasoning behind it?
Sounds stupid.
Okay.
Well, we know that.
It's dumb.
That's it.
I just need it definitely.
Where did you get those? The tags and stickers that you placed on different items to pay the lower price.
just
Did you bring those from home? Did you take them from
No,
the store?
from
From clothes in the store here today?
What's the phone number for you? So when you put the stickers on it, was that,
Sorry, I didn't say that.
was this out when you're like pulling the items off the shelf? You didn't put the sticker on it and then put it in your cart? Or did you do it all at the register? When did you put the stickers on the items?
At the register.
At the register, and then you scanned them and then you put them in the cart? Okay.
Just get a sticker.
About how long would you say you were in the store?
About an hour, I would say.
An hour?
Here, 45 minutes.
Before you came to the store, what types of items did you plan on getting here today?
The sweatshirt and the boots. For someone that needed them. What's gonna happen?
We're waiting. And the reason we're waiting is because we don't know, depending on the value of what you didn't pay for, will depend if you're going to have to come with us or not.
Okay.
If it's over a certain value, it's a felony. If it's under that value, it's a misdemeanor.
So she only paid about $111 for the stuff, and total is $504. It was 120 something, but I... Yeah, but with tax. Yeah. So I have to go and see which one with her receipt. Do you have a receipt that they printed? They printed out. Oh, most of these items, so see how it's like $3, $4, $6. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So she paid a total of not the tax, so
113
113
to 58.
And the total amount, which is actually should have been over
504.69.
Yeah. Okay, so 504.69. And then I'm sorry, can you show what's the 113?
It is 113.58.
Okay.
That's what you paid for.
Okay. Can we talk outside then, real quick? I'll be right back.
Okay.
So from there, get from that, that's going to be
It's about like 400 and something.
just under $400, like three something. So she doesn't have a CQH.
What's that?
She doesn't have a criminal history.
Okay.
Being that it's just 100 over, some of the state's attorneys might be a little more hesitant to approve felony charges. So leave it more probably guaranteed a misdemeanor charge. Or do you want to, we could still do a village ordinance citation, or we can still bring her back?
My problem is, like, I'm gonna run her card, and she's gonna have more.
Yeah, because this is way too.
She has a Kohls card. I can run it through our system, and it pops up anytime and every time she's been here.
Right. Oh yeah. Oh, that's right. You can.
Yeah.
Okay. So then, because then we'll have her ID'd, and then it'll be a lot easier to figure that out. So I'll tell you what I'll do then. I mean, you want to obviously we want to move her the misdemeanor charge then. Okay. Well, guaranteed misdemeanor.
Right.
I'm going to still try for the felony.
Okay.
I need. Can I get pictures of all the items and then the train? So that's her receipt.
This is her receipt. This is the receipt that she paid for. So she paid for these items up there.
And
So all
then,
this.
so
But
okay,
this is the
mine?
correct one. Yeah, this is yours. This is the one that I scanned everything. And even on the car, you can see that these is not hired. So I mean, like these, like what this was. Some of these are different. This one she didn't even just scan. These baby clothes are real. She did pay for these baby clothes, the ones that are marked on there. But like this one, the sticker on the box, it was like this. So that's how it was, and I ripped it off so I can scan their actual one.
Okay.
Because she tried like putting like other ones on here, I think. That's not the correct one either. So I think she just got ass cheaper.
Okay. So. Can I see that real quick? I just wanted it on my body camera. Actually, this is hers, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the receipt that she paid for. And like same thing with these like Nike sweaters. This was just I went ahead and scanned it, but it was like wrapped like this, so you can't even tell if you're like just washing yourself back out apart.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna get her going then.
And then when she leaves, I'll lay this on the floor, take a picture of it, and send it to you. Or she want to just grab.
I'll probably ask Golf to do it for me.
Okay.
Golf is really, it's nothing issue. It's just, especially with it being tags under pricing, I rather have more pictures than not. So more set. So if you wouldn't mind after taking good pictures of all of them and whatnot, especially the tags and whatnot. Okay. All right. I'm gonna need you to stand up, ma'am. If you want to put all that stuff in your purse, I'd appreciate it.
Okay. What are you gonna do?
Okay, I need you to
Come on, you going to jail?
be placed
Let's
under
go.
arrest, okay?
Oh, really?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Because it's retail theft. Okay?
In front of everybody?
Oh, don't cry now.
Sorry, ma'am. Policies are policies. Nothing against
So
you.
am I gonna go to jail?
You're gonna go with me.
I didn't mean to do that.
Oh, you meant to do it. You didn't mean to
do
get
it.
caught,
You said
though.
You did it on purpose.
I know, but I didn't mean to do it. I just wasn't thinking.
You mean you didn't mean to get caught?
I'm telling you, I don't watch these videos ahead of time. Come on, man. Come on, man. Great minds think alike. You hear him? You ain't mean to do it. What you mean you ain't mean to do it? You didn't mean to get caught. Yeah.
I'm sorry, sir.
Let me ask you something. Those boots, are those for your husband?
See, I'm going 24111.
What would your husband think if he knew that you didn't pay for those to get them for him?
He would be very upset.
Yeah.
You wouldn't mind standing up, ma'am? I gotta just make sure you got nothing on you.
Okay.
This is your car key?
Yeah.
I'll put that in your, so we don't lose that.
Fake crying sounds. No tears. Just
Pockets.
no tears.
Sorry.
been so
she got
many
more
blood.
tags.
Where'd you pull that one from?
The tag from the code, I think it was.
Okay.
I don't remember this thing.
All right, so this is what's gonna happen. You're gonna walk out with us, and you're gonna get in the back of my squad car, and I'm gonna take you to our police department, okay? Do you have any questions before we start moving?
No.
Okay.
But there's any way you could not do this in front of everybody, just in case.
Man, it's nighttime. Nobody's really out there. Okay? Trust me, it's not like it's in the middle of the day. That I can definitely understand. Just follow that officer.
Yeah, I just put my hoodie on then.
No, man, please move. He's got the cart right here for you.
Once I paid for it. How about that happen? I do something with all that.
Don't worry, that's all gonna get figured out.
The woman was charged with felony retail theft. Thanks for watching today's video.
Oh, so they did end up charging her with the felony. Oh, okay, good for her. Yeah, come on, man. Your first time, come on, you ripping tags from other stuff and putting it on hair and all that. Like, come on, a first timer is just gonna take it. You know, like, I feel like a first timer is just gonna like maybe stuff some extra stuff in their bag and stuff like that. Not like go and try to disguise the tags with other tags like that. I feel like the officer said, that's a little bit more advanced. Like, it's not really advanced, but it's more advanced than a first timer. You know, you could put two and two together, man. Yeah, they always do the fake crying with no tears though. None, no tears, just fake crying sounds. Save it. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.